Welcome to the channel. I've been able to buy Zeiss lenses for reasonable prices lately. This 50mm is weird to work with. At first, I thought there was something wrong with this lens. I couldn't focus easily and couldn't see well through the lens. It's sharp, but in a special way. When I looked at the photos at the computer, everything turned out not to be too bad. So unfortunately, I will remember this lens as not easy, and I will not grab it again soon. Unless this lens has special properties that others don't have when I compare them in the future.